This is the Disney Hooyay Real Feels Winnie the Pooh. Pooh is a super soft velour plush toy with multi-texture materials, like these lovely smooth ears, soft blankie, and shiny vinyl hand. When Winnie the Pooh is in emotional mode, you can press the Chat with Pooh button on his right hand to hear him share his feelings with you.
Would you like to share your big feelings with me?
Each ear and foot are interactive learning points, and you can press each one to hear Pooh respond to different emotions.
I want to dance and eat honey, of course. Oh, bother. You seem a bit angry.
Pooh teaches us how to show empathy towards others.
Oh, it's okay to be sad. I find a hug always helps. Oh, you're happy. Oh, how wonderful.
Now squeeze Pooh's heart for 3 seconds to activate night mode.
Oh, it's time to go to sleep.
A soft light glows from his heart and comforts the child each time he is hugged. And there you have the Disney Hooyay Real Feels Winnie the Pooh.